Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Magnesium Oil Spray. Discover wellness with Magnesium Oil 7 and find out why over 60,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Are you seeking a natural solution to enhance your well-being? Well, look no further than Magnesium Oil 7, the ultimate in magnesium therapy. So why Magnesium Oil 7, you ask? Well, Magnesium Oil 7 penetrates the skin effortlessly, ensuring rapid and efficient magnesium delivery to your body. It also alleviates muscle soreness, reduces cramps, and speeds up recovery. It's perfect for athletes or anyone with an active lifestyle. Infused with natural ingredients, magnesium is essential for relaxation and sleep quality. Experience the common effects of Magnesium Oil 7 and enjoy restful nights. So, how exactly do you use it? Well, it's pretty simple. If you need restful sleep, simply spray the bottom of your feet. You can also apply a small amount of magnesium oil spray on your skin, focusing on areas that need relief from sore muscles and cramps. So check out the links in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.